Hello, my name is Indah Melindasari and I'm a registered migration agent at ONEderland Consulting, Australia. I'm hoping all of you are safe and sound during these unprecedented times. As you may know, Australian immigration rules keep changing all the time, which affect visa applications. To keep up to date with all the latest immigration news, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the logo in the right-hand corner and click subscribe. One of the new changes that has just been announced as one of the COVID-19 concessions are changes made to the application requirements of the Skilled Regional Visa Subclass 887. The 88 visa is a permanent visa that is available to people that have lived and work in a specified areas of regional Australia on eligible visas. It is a permanent visa that allows you to live, work and sponsor family members for permanent residency anywhere in Australia. Previously, before the COVID-19 concessions, the requirements were that you have worked full-time for a year in a specified area of regional Australia while having lived there for 2 years. Due to the COVID-19, some 887 applicants lost their jobs and had to leave the country, making them unable to meet the requirements for the visa. In response to this, Department of Home Affairs initiated a series of COVID-19 concessions for this visa on September 2020 and have not announced when this concession period will end. The changes made are as follows. COVID-19 concession eligibility for 887 visa applicants outside of Australia. Applicants outside of Australia can apply for visa 887 and will be granted visa 887 from their home country during the concession period. Some evidence that the applicant must provide are full-time work for 9 months in a specified regional area, or if the minister specifies a shorter period in a legislative instrument, that shorter period, and they are residing for 18 months in a specified regional area, or if the minister specifies a shorter period in a legislative instrument, that shorter period. COVID-19 concessions eligibility for 887 applicants inside Australia. For the applicants in Australia who lodged their visa 887 application during the concession period or within 3 months after the concession period ends, must provide evidence of the 9 months of full-time work in a specified regional area and evidence of 2 years of residence in a specified regional area. This will reduce the uncertainty for many of the 887 visa applicants who are stranded overseas and not sure how or if they will be able to proceed with the process. The 887 essentially has an offshore application process now. As before, it had only been a visa that could be granted in Australia or onshore. By reducing the requirements for full-time work and time lived in the regional areas, it is more accommodating to those that lost their jobs or had to return to their home countries due to the pandemic. For those that might have been able to return to their home countries, the concessions do not affect the amount of time they have had to live in the regional area, but reduce the time of employment needed to assist those 887 applicants that may have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. These concessions will be a welcome news for 489 visa holders, as the 887 visa is their pathway towards getting permanent residence. In the economic recovery that is needed during these uncertain times, the government realizes that this situation is outside of the applicant's control and that skilled workers will be needed more than ever. If you are currently an 887 applicant or a 481 holder wanting to make an offshore application, or you have any questions on how these changes can affect you, ONEderland Consulting is here to help you with any questions you may have. We specialize in complex visa cases. As a registered Australian migration agent with the Migration Agent Registration Authority or MARA, we are regulated in our professional practice and bound by the profession's code of conduct issued by the Migration Agents Registration Authority. Take the first step and get in contact with us. We are experienced, trustworthy, and we seek to deliver results. And most importantly, we are here to help you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel or visit our website for the latest news and helpful information.